Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. Let's write on the screen here. And what we have here is the US dollar, Canadian dollars. I would like to trade this pair to the downside, so basically to buy put options, but not from here and not now. I would like to see some more higher values, and ideally that would mean 109.70 today, as we had the non-farm payroll still ahead of us. So that would be the target, 109.70, what I would like the price to see to come today. If it comes, it's alright. If not, then that's a different story. We'll sit on our hands for today. However, that area here might very well be touched with a spike with the NFP today, or maybe with the spike after the NFP today, as the move that started from this moment of time is nothing but a corrective move. I repeat, it is nothing but a corrective move. This is no impulsive move. First of all, market is channeling too well. So if you take a trend line from here to here like this, and then let's change the color for it, and then you clone and put it on the upper side of the move like this, you're seeing how it is channeling really nice. It's with a first touch of the upper trend line being here, a second touch of the upper trend line being here. Well, the third touch, like we have three touches from the moment that the trend begins. We have 1, 2 times, 3 times, and then of course we're looking for the third touch to come. Ideally today, I don't know, with a spike lower with the NFP and then breaking higher. It remains to be seen. Anyways, 109.70 area is a nice place to go and buy put options. First of all, Friday is here, and the market most likely will try to consolidate recent moves, and not only to consolidate recent moves, but will try to book the profits on the long side. And if this one here is not an impulsive move, then what it is, it can only be a corrective wave. And the corrective wave, from my point of view, this is only the end of a first wave to the upside. Now if this is a first wave to the upside, then of course I'm looking at a rising wedge, and if this is the rising wedge and this is the first wave, then the second wave needs to go all the way to the downside. Here it was the move from the other day that went into the fixing, into the end of month fixing, and from this moment of time basically we should have 1, 2, then the third wave to go in here, a fourth wave, and then the fifth wave. If you go and take 61.8 out of the first wave, which is happening quite often when you compare the legs of a terminal impulsive move, and if you take the 61.8 from here like this to here, and then you project it by the moment that the second wave the other day ended, it will give you something like 110 or 109, around that area. There is a nice extension, if you want, for the third wave. Then you might say, alright, then why selling or why buying put options on the 0070? Well, it is this area, let's say 0070, 0080, with the market making a quick move and then to reverse for the end of the day. Let's see if the market will confirm the move. Anyways, hunting something like a rising wedge for the US dollar, Canadian dollar. So let's write on the screen, looking to buy put options on a spike higher above 1.09, let's say 75.85 area, with end of day expiration date, based on everything that we've discussed earlier. The move is channeling too well. It is a corrective move, and we should go and see what the NFP is about to show today for the US dollar. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com on the US dollar, Canadian dollar, put options from higher values. Thank you, and bye bye.